Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Lexus certified pre-owned units. It is a 2018 RX350 Executive Package in the satin cashmere metallic finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low mileage with only 8,446 kilometers, local Alberta car. Some of the features do include L-shaped premium LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, automatic high beam, power liftgate with the touch-free feature, head-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane keeping assist with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with the pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, also equipped with the panoramic view monitor, a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, wireless phone charging, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select, center locking differential, panoramic sunroof, power folding rear seats, the parchment interior in great shape, heated rear seats, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.